Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but Open Box Brothers are back. And today, we got a special vid with double boxes. But for that, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's 2020, baby. Back with more vids. We have some awesome things planned.
Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you know when our next video is.
Because there's going to be some cool ones. But 2020, we're hoping to hit, let's make a goal, 2,000 subscribers. Do you think we can do that for 2020, 2,000? Alright, let's do it. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, it's time to get into our Love with Food new box that we're opening here. So there's supposed to be a lot of snacks.
Snack adventure starts now.
Let's get it. Alrighty, so it's time to taste. So we're going to do a little back and forth action here. I'm going first. First snack I see, Belgian Boys Mini Cookie Stash Choco Chip. Those are like little mini graham crackers. Belgian
You know what these are like? They're like Chips Ahoy, but in mustache shaped.
Oh, yeah. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Tastes like normal cookies.
First snack, pretty good. Tastes like Chips Ahoy cookies.
Okay. Next snack we're trying, I see on the top, is Mighty Sesame Company Tahini Bar.
Vanilla milkshake flavor. So looks like a protein bar.
Yeah.
It looks like it might be covered in chocolate.
Let's split it in half. Oh, it's hard. It's easy, but it's hard. It's just like all vanilla. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. This is so good. It's like the best thing I've ever tasted.
Am I?
Oh, now it tastes like Bean Boozled.
Alright, I'm thinking something good out of this. This is something good. Alright guys, we got Welch's Fruit Rolls White Grape Strawberry. Looking good. I need some good taste after that disgusting
Bean Boozled
flavored
tahini bar.
Bro, it was tahini.
Whatever.
It's literally a fruit roll up or whatever those things are called.
That looks so disgusting. Look at the color of that.
Not a fruit roll up. What do you call those things?
Look at the color of that. Oh, it smells good. I like it.
Tastes like any fruit by the foot. Okay, mine's all like. It's really good.
I'm gonna get a good one. Let's see.
Starting off with a good one.
Superfood Bunches of Crunches.
Granola, dark chocolate, sea salt with chai.
Awesome. There's a guy that's going, chai.
It's like Superman.
Chai.
By Blue Pepper. Just like coffee. Next is the Sunripe Fruit to Go Apple Wild Berry. Gluten-free, nut-free, and vegan.
It looks like a Twizzler. It looks like a Twizzler. You just like pull it off.
Base. You know those things that you plug your tire with? That's what it looks like. But it's also like a Twizzler. Oh, never mind. It doesn't break off. Tastes like a raisin.
Tastes disgusting. I hate raisins. Okay, mine next. How about we do the one that we just did?
Different flavor.
It's called Apple Raspberry.
Mine was Apple Wild Berry.
This looks the same.
Tastes the same.
Oh no.
Ooh,
no.
yeah. These are gonna be good.
No.
Next, we got some pop
no,
chips.
No.
Hot flavor.
No.
My bad. The crazy hot pop chips.
No.
Potato.
No. Oh, these are the puffs, but they're spicy.
Right.
Oh, smell them, dude. Let's smell this. Oh no.
I'm not gonna fight you.
I have to eat the whole thing.
They're a little bit spicy.
My tongue is on fire.
More snacks to me.
It's the same thing. Parmesan cheese.
Oh, but they're like crisp now.
Mm-hmm.
It's like baby food. Get that.
Never mind. That tastes disgusting.
Ugh. It's like pure Parmesan cheese.
I mean, I like Parmesan cheese,
It's basic.
but not that much.
No. Kodiak cakes. Protein packed bear bites. Honey graham crackers.
Good.
So much better. Alright guys, we got our last snack. Good choice. Ooh, barbecue flavored pineapple pork.
It's called beef jerky.
It's giant. Yeah, no, that ain't breaking.
I can smell it from all the way over here.
Guys, that was our Love with Food double box video. Hope you enjoyed it. We forgot again the signature open box brother move. Favorite, least favorite. First off, really easy. Favorite. Least favorite. Hate even talking about them. You know what they are. Wisps. Parmesan cheese flavor. Next, go.
So my favorite is. I know it's that. Okay, that's my favorite, and then my least favorite is probably this. If you guys know what this is, I should probably just show you the packet. It was the tahini. That's disgusting.
That concludes our video. Again, subscribe, like, hit the bell. That's it. Open Box Brothers out.